Hi friend, welcome to channel Apps Appear. This video I gonna show you how to backup and restore configuration in Mikrotik router. There are two types of backup system in Mikrotik router. One is .backup and another is .rc. .backup is binary file. It is not human readable. Another is .rc is a scripted human readable with plain text. We can see and read all configuration here. Now let's start to backup system. So that you want to go file, then click backup and name here. Here is your backup name. In my case, I test then backup. It automatically tests.backup. Now I download from my PC or laptop. Select a backup folder. This is a test.backup. Now I delete backup from file on Mikrotik. Now I reset configuration on Mikrotik router. Login Mikrotik router. The Mikrotik router all configuration is now yes. From my laptop, select then upload, select then restore, then it is want to reboot. After reboot, successfully restore the backup. Now I have backup.rc. So that open terminal and type here export file equal to your backup name. In my case, my backup file name is my backup. Then press enter. It backup on .files. You can click files, then see here .rsc backup, my backup.rsc, and you can download it on your computer and restore from computer. Now I restored .rsc backup. For that I want to go terminal, then go to the .rsc backup location and right here colon delay 15 seconds and select the script and copy, then paste it on terminal. After paste, all backup is restored successfully. Thanks for watching the video. If you think this video helpful, subscribe my channel.